Hi everyone, it's Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2020 Honda Jazz Crosstar. Now walking around the car, you'll notice that you do get LED daytime running lights. You also get LED projector housing lights, as you can see just there, and LED fog lights. Walking around again, you'll notice you do also get these 16-inch alloy wheels as standard, all of which have got the diamond cut face on, as you can see just there. Moving around to the rear now, you do have 4 rear parking sensors. You've also got a nice little reversing cameras just up top there, which does make this thing an absolute doddle to park. Moving into the boot, we do have plenty of room. We've got 60-40 split flat folding rear seats, and they do fold flat with this level just here. Moving around to the rear, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, you'll notice we have the cloth grey. You also have the white and black accent on the outer edge just here, and ISOFIX mounting points built into the bottom. We then have a brilliant function. This is called Magic Seats. You can pull the chair up, push the leg down, and you'll hear a little click as it goes into place. Like so, it'll click into place, which means it will not pull up or down until you do release it by pulling the legs back up. We've got full electric windows all round. We've got full keyless entry as well. Inside the car now, we have your electric handbrake with brake hold, or your ECON and your eCVT gearbox. We've got climate control in the front with 2 heated seats, and then we do have your 10-inch display in the middle, like so. On here you have your personal assistant, navigation, Bluetooth hands-free, FM, Bluetooth audio, and your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You do also have DAB and low wave, medium wave. But moving over to the steering wheel now, we have your volume controls on the left with your track select, voice assistant, and onboard computer controls. We then have your speed limiter and cruise control over on the right hand side with your lane keep assist and distance control. We've got automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers, and as you can see, this car has only done 16,957 miles. Jumping back outside now, just showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do, of course, require any further information on this Honda Jazz Crosstar, don't hesitate to get in touch with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.